Hello there, how you doing? So today I'm going to do a few little bits for a little party, nice little fillers. If you've got a barbecue or something, I'm going to do some salads or whatever. One of the kids is having a bit of a birthday party, so we're just going to do a few little bits for the adults. Okay, so what you're looking at here is some pasta salad. We're going to make one there, two different salads. So I've got a 500-gram pack of pasta. This is fusilli. You could obviously use any type of pasta you want. And we're going to use, once it's cooked, 250 grams for one and 250 grams for another. Let's get on with it. Really, really simple. Okay, let's get this one together. Really nice and easy. So there's 250 grams of cooked pasta. I'm using fusilli. Like I said, we're going to make two of these. So one packet, 500 grams. There's half of it. 1 cup of sweet corn. About a cup of fresh chopped parsley. About 4 or 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can adjust that a little bit if you want. 2 tomatoes, cup of onions cut nice and small, cup of bell peppers, cup of cheddar cheese, 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic, and just 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We're going to add some salt and pepper to this as well. So easy, in a bowl, mix it up. Okay, so we've got our mixing bowl there. So let's go in with those 2 tomatoes, cut nice and small. Corn, you can get that from a can if you want, or you can get it frozen or fresh if you're feeling that way. Cup of onion. Cup of bell pepper. I'm just using green, maybe get some different colors in there. Cup of grated cheddar cheese. Tiny amount of garlic. Tiny amount of chili powder. You could adjust that as well, put something else in. Salt. I'm not going to go crazy with the salt because the mayo is quite salty. Black pepper. Flat leaf parsley. And then the mayo. Again, with the mayo, you can really adjust this. I don't want my salad swimming in it. Just a nice kind of easy coating for me. I want to get in there, give that a mix, back in a moment. Okay, and there you go, nice and creamy. Got some lovely bits and pieces in there. You can adjust that exactly how you want, like add a few different veg in if you want. Let's make one more. We're going to make a non-mayo one now. Okay, so this one, pasta, tuna, egg, and pesto. So easy. So this one is really, really simple. So once again, we've got 250 grams, half a packet of the pasta cooked. Again, you can use any pasta you want. Here I've got 3 cans of tuna, and I mean that kind of stubby kind of one. So it's like 170 grams each, so you know, you can work that out. 4 boiled eggs, half a cup of onions sliced. Here I've got some black olives. I've got like 10, and I've just, you know, squeezed them and taken the stone out. I've got 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and I've got 2 tablespoons of a green pesto. Really easy. So once again, I've placed the pasta into a mixing bowl. We're going to add in our tuna. You can get the tuna with oil or with water or something like that. Okay, now I've got half a cup of onion, just a little bit of onion in this one. We're going to go with some black pepper, quite a lot of black pepper, and no salt. I'm not going to add salt to this because we've got here the Parmesan, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, which I think is salty enough. Plus we've got the olives, haven't we, which again are quite salty. Now my eggs, 4 eggs, I've just sliced them up. And then a couple of tablespoons of a green pesto, in that goes. And again, very simply, I'm going to give that a little mix. And there you have it. Really, really simple, really tasty. Goes really nicely with the other one as well. So that is 2 really simple, fast, delightful pasta salads. So in addition to those 2 pasta salads, going to make a really simple, quick, but beautiful 3 bean salad. So a nice, really quick, easy 3 bean salad. I'm using some white beans, chickpeas, and red kidney beans. You can mix it up however you like, of course. I'm using these from a can. If you're going to use from a can like I have, give them a nice wash in some cold water. Rinse them through really nicely. I've got 1 cup here of fresh mint. You could use coriander or cilantro if you wanted. I've got a teaspoon of cumin powder. I've got 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 lemon juice, and we're going to add just a little bit of pomegranate syrup, molasses, or sauce. Give it a nice little sweetness. So simple, this one. So I've got my 3 beans in a mixing bowl. Let's just add that 1 teaspoon of cumin, the fresh mint. You know, a fresh, herb of any sort really works nicely in there. We're going to go for some black pepper, a little bit of salt, olive oil, lemon juice or lime juice is nice, and then to sweeten it up, some of the pomegranate, probably about 3 tablespoons there. Now if you wanted, you can get some cucumbers chopped in there, tomatoes, olives, bit of onion maybe, up to you. I'm keeping it really nice and simple. I'm going to give that a mix, and this is done as well. And that's sorted out really fast, huh? Nice, simple, easy salad. Goes, nicely with the pasta ones that we've made as well. All right, thanks very much for making it to this part of the video and making it to the end of the video. Really appreciate all the views that we're getting. Just a little update, we're still living in the Kingdom of Bahrain. We're cooking like crazy. We're doing really well. If you want to subscribe, that would be fantastic, helps us out a lot. Thumbs ups are great, and obviously a comment. If you've got a comment to make, I'll try and get back to you if I can. But yeah, life's pretty good. It's not so hot at the moment. It's kind of cooled down a bit. Bahrain is absolutely beautiful, and this part of the world is beautiful when it comes to winter. It's cooling down and it's lovely. See you later.